In a world where marketing and sales teams often work in silos, losing focus on the end result, there is a better way to revolutionize your approach. Introducing Domino-Effect Marketing, the key to unlocking your business success. Just like a chain reaction, where one domino triggers the next, our approach creates a powerful sequence of strategic milestones. Imagine your growth plan as a series of interconnected dominoes, each step leading to the next with precision. Imagine every member knows the why and the exact steps to make it work and achieve the goal. Imagine a world where every member of your team understands the exact sequential steps required to accelerate productivity and optimize performance. That's where Markiverse Media comes in. Our expertise in domino-effect marketing will catapult your business to new heights. Markiverse Media, where the power of domino effect transforms your growth strategy. Ready to revolutionize your sales and marketing? Contact Markiverse Media today to unlock the full potential of Domino Effect.